was a prairie, a wilderness across a continent, and we take it, we clear it out and make it in our image. Backyards, driveways, covered wagons rushing through the high plains, hotels on a canyon, they make a second nature. What was it for this country? The farms and the blood across the prairie. What nation we become as we build a second nature. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Run, parking lots, the endless fields and cities. We take them, replace them with all our dreams of the future. Grass grows, we take it, we want it, second nature to us.